You are connecting it. Are you going to connect it here? On the wooden railway?
No.
Yes, we can do that.
No,
See, you
no.
have a roundabout
No.
here. That red one.
But there's no tape, Mama.
No, we don't need a tape.
But
We don't need a tape. We just have to have a male
Wow.
track. Yeah?
But I can mess it and this track.
Okay, let me see.
I don't know if you can get it.
I'll give you some more. I'll give you some more.
Yeah.
Yes? Okay.
Thank you.
You are connecting the wooden railway to the Trackmaster motorized railway, Adam. It's a chuggington.
I can crazy you.
That's cool. It's a good idea, Adam. Let's see if it's going to work. We just need a tape for the meantime to connect this Trackmaster wooden railway and this kind of track. Okay.
No tree, Thomas tree.
Okay, let me see.
Hey,
Adam. Let's see. Check if it works. See, we don't have a clip for connecting to the wooden railway and the Trackmaster railway. So what we did is to put a tape on it. Let's see. Adam, let's see if it's work. Let's see if it's work. It's James right now, and let's see if
He can do
it
it.
works on the tape. Wow!
Yeah.
It works! Oh, what happened there? What happened there? Okay, let's connect more of the chuggington railway. Yay!
Okay.
Okay, let's see. Aw, don't do that, little puss. Oh, it doesn't work that way, Adam. Not on the wooden railway. It will only run here on the Trackmaster
No, Percy.
railway.
No, Percy. Percy.
Okay, let's see if Percy can do it.
He
Okay.
fits.
Push them. Oh, wow, Percy. Let me see if you can.
But he has to put this.
What?
No, they were. Yeah.
Adam,
Yeah.
let me see. See this one? This is James. Let's see if he can make it to the wooden railway connecting to Trackmaster.
And then
1, 2, go!
We're not ready.
Yeah. James Tender is not. Okay.
There's Thomas in there.
Okay, let's move this one out.
You open it.
If they have the tender, they cannot make it. So, okay, stay away there. So here I come, James. See if this wooden railway is going to work with him with the Trackmaster railway. Okay, go. Adam, look. Oh, wow, more. Can you just give him a push?
Percy one.
Yes, look at that, Adam. Huh. Okay, can you help James? Adam, look. Help James, please. Oh, no. Help James. There you go, James. Where are you going? Oh, he's going up. It's in the wrong direction. Oh, no. Are you sure you cannot make it there? See this one?
Because there's a police here.
Let's switch.
There's a police here because there's a police here. And then
Look at this.
And then there's a police here. And then you can't get over here.
If you do that, he cannot make it. Okay, let's try it again. From here, down the road, okay? Adam, let's try it from here, down the road, anak. Stay away there. Away there, please. Ready, get set. Ready, steady. Steady, go. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh no!
There you are. There you are, James. A little push, Adam. Oh, don't do that.
I defeated the team.
What about Thomas? Can you see?
Let's see.
Let's see if we can make it to the wooden railway connecting to the Trackmaster Railway. 1, 2, go. Wow, Thomas. Yes, Adam, look. No way, Adam. Don't do that. Look, anak. Look. Okay. Oh, that's the purpose of it. That's the purpose. You have to...
Wait.
Yeah, let's wait. Look at that. So, if they cannot make it, you have to... Can you show me, Adam?
What? What is...
Oh.
It's turning.
It's turning. The wheel is turning, but... You have to get off from that. Get off. Wow, that's this thing. You have to stop.
We have to stop.
Yeah, pinch the stop one. That one. The button one.
Where?
You have to pinch it.
But we have it.
There. Yeah. You're right. Okay.
And there's that.
Whoa! No. Okay. Let's see. Who's that?
There's that.
Oh, let's see. Oh. Okay, Adam, look at your Thomas, the #1 tank engine in a motorized railway.
And there's that.
Oh my God, they're so fast. No, they are so fast, Adam. What? Okay, there's Adam. Let's see if they can make it. No, don't bump them. Don't bump. She's pushing Thomas.
But hard. Sweetheart, Thomas.
There you go, James.
No.
James, go, James. Go.
No, we're not ready.
Go, James. Come on.
Oh,
Come on. You're stuck there.
he did wheel.
Oh wow. Let's see about Thomas. Thomas, go ahead, Thomas. Show it to James that you can make it on the curve, even on the wooden railway connecting to the Trackmaster Railway. Yes.
Mama, what?
Adam, stay away from there. Your hair.
Look, Mama, what?
What is it? Oh.
This is good.
Looks like you are doing the air tear.
Yeah. I don't know Thomas can do it.
I know, right?
I don't know Thomas can do it.
No. Yes, a little.
But we have this.
We need a little help here. Now you have to switch it this way. Okay, let's see if you can make it. Woo!
No, we're gonna make this one.
Yeah.
James can make it. James, you're gonna make it.
Okay, here comes Thomas again. Wow, Thomas. Okay. Don't stop Thomas. No. He has to go.
But we have
Oh, you're cheating, Adam. Yeah, is it going to work? Yes. As long as you have to push the button for them to
Percy wins!
work. Oh my God, Percy win.
And Thomas, where's our not that? No, it's a second.
Did Percy win? There you go, Thomas.
But there's
There
another
you go, Thomas.
But there's another Thomas. Mama, there's another Thomas.
There's another Thomas. This Thomas is really fast. Right?
There's another one so fast.
Uh-huh.
And
See?
the other one is really fast.
Okay.
Wow!
Whoa, look at that. Oh, wow, look at that.
I want Thomas to go with that picture.
Uh-huh.
Let's go.
Uh-huh. Can you start?
Let's see. Let's see. It's not gonna work.
Is it? Okay. Okay, Adam. Oh, no. Avoid your hair from there. Okay. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Bye-bye.